happy Vlogmas and welcome to today's video. So today we're doing something a little bit different. I've never done this before, but you may or may not have seen some of my HomeGoods shop with me videos. And I don't think I've ever really showed you guys everything that I've gotten from HomeGoods that I have placed in my house. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I've ever gotten from HomeGoods and where I've styled it in my home. So it's going to be everything from decor to art to furniture, random stuff. So this should be fun, and let's go ahead and get started. Starting off here on my dresser, I have a few different things from HomeGoods. So if you saw my last HomeGoods shop with me, you saw that I got this art piece, and I actually got this idea to put it here from one of my sweet subscribers. Her name is Suzanne. She always comments on my videos and always is just so sweet and nice. And she actually gave me this idea. She said, why don't you just put it on your dresser? And I was like, okay, let's give it a try. And it looks perfect. So thank you, Suzanne. It looks so great here. So this was $29.99. Such a great find. I also have this little, I don't even know what it's called, this little box, and it's just so beautiful. I love the texture of it, the color, and honestly, there is just nothing but junk in here, and it just hides everything. And then over here are a few finds from HomeGoods. I got this Vogue Fantasy and Fashion coffee table book, which I showed on one of my HomeGoods shop with me's. And I also got this little mini Vogue coffee table book, this little DW home candle, this gorgeous little geode here I also found from HomeGoods. Coming over here is this wooden bench, and excuse the little cat scratcher at the bottom, but we actually got this wooden bench probably 3 years ago from HomeGoods. I believe it was $100, but I just love the like herringbone design. It's just so cute. And then I found this vase a few weeks ago, or maybe it was last week, don't know. But this was such a great find as well. It was only $24.99, and this thing is huge. And then we have over here this little wicker cat bed that my cat never uses, but it's so cute. One of my favorite finds of all time would be this mirror I found for $200. And I painted it gold to look like the RH Gilt mirror, which is over $1,000. So definitely a great find, especially if you know that you can just paint it to look like something that you have visualized in your head. Definitely do it. And I just kind of have some little pine cones hanging from it to give it a little bit of a Christmas vibe. Next would be this ladder that I found a few weeks ago at HomeGoods, which is also another favorite. I had been looking for some sort of vintage ladder. I had been to a few antique stores and they were just so expensive. And then I ran into this one at HomeGoods, which I believe was only $40. And then I also bought this throw blanket, which is from Italy. And this was also from HomeGoods. Here on our bed, we have some throw pillows that were, I believe they were $24.99 each, and they were both made in India, which I don't know why, but all of the best pillows, blankets, rugs that I have found have all been made in India. The work is just so detailed and beautiful, and I just really love the neutral colors. I've talked a lot about these lamps before. They are alabaster lamps, and they're just so cute. So when you turn it once, it just turns on the base, and then if you turn it again, it turns on just the top. And then if you turn it another time, then it's the base and the top. So this is perfect for just like a little night light, and I just love the look of it. It's so pretty. Coming into the bathroom, I have this silver mirror that I got for Valentine's. AJ got it for me 1 year, and this is also from HomeGoods. It is a few years old, but it just looks so pretty in the bathroom, and it really does open up the space and make the bathroom look a lot bigger than it really is. This wooden bowl I got at HomeGoods. I think it was the beginning of the summer, but it kind of looks like a wooden dough bowl, and I love that it has the gold little pegs at the bottom. I put this in here to hold all my bath bombs, and I just really love the way it looks on here. Next would be this little shelf that I got. It just fits perfect in the corner and also kind of hides everything. I can keep my blow dryer, my straightener, stuff like that, and I just love that it gives more storage. I've had this little basket for such a long time, and it just fits perfectly above the toilet and perfect for storing things. Once again, I just have some little decor pieces here, but I just love this. It's kind of like a little catch-all, and it can be used for so many different things. Here above our toilet, we have some more art here. I love these line drawings. They are just so beautiful and simplistic, and I just love the look that they give to the bathroom. It makes me feel like I'm in a hotel. I really, really love those. I have also showed this before, but I got this cute little Buddha, which I am in love with. This was so affordable as well, and I just love how it has like a concrete look to it. And I use it to store my necklaces. I put them on there, the ones that I wear typically every day, and then sometimes I keep like little scrunchies or bracelets at the top. And then I have this adorable little onyx container that I put jewelry or just random stuff in there. And this was such a great find as well. This was only $14, I remember specifically, and I just love the color. It's so neutral and beautiful. Here on our bathroom counter, I have this little apothecary little drawer set, which I love so much. This was another great find. This was only $11 at HomeGoods, and I just love the blue and the white. It just reminds me of like Greece or Italy. I don't know, it just looks so unique, and I love it because you can just store your jewelry, your earrings, anything that you want. And then over here I have this little soap stand which says scrub. This is an Anthropologie dupe, so I have some soap which is also from HomeGoods. Another art piece from HomeGoods is just this feather in a shadow box, which I think is so cute. I love the gray wooden frame. I just think it looks so nice with the frame and the colors of the feather. It has a little gold tip on the end. I think is so cute. Here in the corner of our bathroom, I have this little wicker wooden plant stand that I love so much. It just makes the corner look so cute and kind of bohemian. And I have my Monstera plant in it that I actually need to repot. And then here in the corner is just another little basket that I use to put my bubble bath and my soap and stuff in. Once again, I just love little baskets like this because it helps conceal things and just kind of makes it a little bit more stylish. Coming into our hallway, and sorry if you could hear our heater, it's right behind me, so it's kind of loud right now because it's going off. But I found this rug, which is perfect if you have pets or kids, because I have washed this rug in the wash machine at least 20 times and it still looks so good and it's in great condition, and I just love the pattern. Here in our second bathroom, we have another art piece, which is so gorgeous. I just love the line drawing, and then the light gold frame just adds a perfect touch. Here I have on our bathroom shelf, this is a huge amethyst, which is also another great find and very affordable. I have it next to a rose and bergamot candle. Here on my office desk, I have this adorable little bookend, which I actually have it holding some essential oil at the moment. I have this coffee table book, this cute little Buddha. This is actually from World Market, I'm sorry, but everything else is from HomeGoods. And then I have this silver, beautiful little vessel here holding some, honestly, I don't know what kind of plant this is. It looks like pampas grass, but it's not. At least I don't think it is, but that's what I have in there. Over here on the other end of the desk, we have another candle, surprise, surprise. We have this black and white vessel, which is empty right now. I do need to find some sort of dry floral or something to put in there, but it does look good plain also. Over in our living room, I have this African gourd basket, which is such a great find, and also an RH dupe. And I just have some pampas grass in it for now, but this is just such a great touch to the living room. I just think it warms it up, makes it look cozy, and I love that you can put anything in here, especially pampas grass. I think it looks so cute. Here at our little coffee station, I have this apothecary clear little container here, and I used it to actually put my tea in. I think it just looks a little bit more elegant. And then I have this little wooden pedestal, which is great for a lot of things. You could place a candle on here, a vase, but right now I just have this little apothecary. I also found this gold little trinket catch-all, and I think it's just so cute. I use it to store my coffee pods for my Nespresso machine. Coming into our kitchen, here on the counter, we have a cookbook, mortar and pestle, which was only $9.99. I have this wooden little tray, which helps kind of organize our fruit, our vegetables, just makes everything look a little bit nicer rather than just having it thrown on the counter. I also found this cutting board, which I use all the time, especially for cheese boards and fruit, and I just love the design. On this side of the counter, I have the same little wooden pedestal that I have at our coffee station. And on this one, I have this adorable little black aged vessel holding some wooden spoons, which are also from HomeGoods. And I just love the little marble ends with the gold detailing. Over here on the stove, I have my huge, ginormous Christmas candle burning, which smells so good. DW Home, my favorite from HomeGoods. And then I have this adorable little tea kettle, which I use to make tea. And I just love the little copper, and the black detailing is so cute. I have this spice rack, which is rose gold and wooden. And fun fact, I used to be obsessed with like rose gold and the copper, which I've kind of grown out of. Now I'm into just regular gold, but this is just so cute. I can never get rid of this. Over here on our kitchen counter, we have this vase, which I just love the color. Such a neutral, light piece that kind of just brightens up the room. I found these little white, sparkly, kind of marble design coasters a few weeks ago as well. And then I just have some little red berries from Trader Joe's in there. Up here we have another vase, which was found at HomeGoods with some pampas grass in it. And then over here, let me try and get a good view. I just have this other little decor piece, which is just very unique, but I love the wooden detail it has. Here at the top of our cabinets in our kitchen, I have this little decor piece. Honestly, I don't know what you would call this, but I just love the shape and the texture of that. This was another great find, with this little vignette, which was made in Mexico. Such a cute light wood color. And I have just a little candle in here, another geode, which was found at HomeGoods, some wooden decor beads as well. And then, yeah, actually these are from Target. I thought these were from HomeGoods, but no, These are from Target. Here when you walk in, we have this cute little coat rack, which is also a great find that I've had for such a long time. It's this beautiful wood color with the gold handles. Yes, we have a ton of masks because, you know, it's kind of just how life is right now. And yeah, I just love the detailing on here. It's so pretty. Here on this little shelf, I have some items that I have had for such a long time, but I have used them in so many different ways. First would be this little clear vase, which is just so cute because you can put any type of floral in here, pampas grass. Right now I have this little pine tree with pine cones for Christmas. And then I have another little geode. I have this cute little wicker basket just to kind of store our sunglasses and random stuff. I have this beautiful little crystal here, which is just so cute. This mirror here is just a perfect circular little mirror. And then this adorable little picture frame, that's my dad in there, which is just so adorable. And it's a little bit messy right now, but I just had to show you guys all the cute little stuff that I have here. And once again, I've had these forever, but I always style them so differently, so very universal. Up here above our laundry room, I have some random decor pieces. I have a vase, a gold knot, a wooden ball, and a marble little decor stand. Each item has different textures, different colors, and I just think that it adds a nice element and gives it a little bit of depth, and it doesn't look so plain up there, which I really love. All right, so that is it for today's video. I hope I remembered to put everything in there, and if I didn't, I'm sorry. But I will probably do another one of these in a few months. I do collect decor over time and store it away, so there is probably a lot of stuff that I don't realize I'm missing. So I will film another one of these in a few months and kind of update you on my house. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different, but it was so fun to show you all of my special decor pieces that I have found at HomeGoods over the years and how I have styled them. So I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves.